In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile color in Asana. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and you can see your main dashboard or any project page. We'll start by going to your profile area, which is where Asana keeps your personal settings and appearance options. Look toward the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. Depending on your setup, this might be a small circle with your initials, or it could already be a photo if you've uploaded one before. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you quick access to your personal controls. From the menu that appears, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a settings window or panel, usually in the center of your screen. Give it a second to load if your internet is a bit slow. These settings control things like notifications, language, and of course, your profile details. Once the settings panel is open, look for the tab or section called Profile. It may be along the top of the window as a tab or in a sidebar, depending on your version of Asana. Click on Profile to switch to that view. Here is where you can customize how you appear to your teammates, including your name, role, and visual appearance. Inside the profile section, you'll see your current profile image or color. To update it, find the option that says Upload New Photo. Click on Upload New Photo to open a file picker from your computer. From here, you can choose an image that matches the color and style you want for your profile. For example, you might pick a solid color image to create a strong, consistent profile color, or choose a picture where your preferred color is dominant. After selecting the file, Asana will usually show you a preview. Make sure the color and framing look the way you want. If there is a cropping tool, you can adjust it so the most important part of the image, or the color you want to highlight, is centered. When you're happy with how it looks, confirm the upload. Asana will save your changes, and you should now see your updated profile photo or color in the top right.